Today we're reviewing the Adevena 12-piece wood carving set. Alright, so I'm not an expert on wood carving. This was a gift to me from my brother, I believe, for Christmas. I think it's good. It's not perfect by any means, since it's just a small beginner's kit, but you get a fairly good selection in my opinion. You get 3 different sizes of these rounded gouging tools, and then you get various angle cut pieces like so of different sizes, and then you get some pointed ones for like if you're carving something that has a square corner or whatever, to carve into that. And it also comes with the sharpening stone here, which is kind of nice. It comes in this hard shell case thing. I'm not sure what this little thing was for, if they wanted you to hang it up or something. I mean, but they're not, it doesn't stay, it's not that sturdy, so I'm gonna assume that's probably not what it's for. I don't know what it's for, but anyway, it's okay. I did carve a couple things with it here. Got 2 wooden spoons that I did. This one's not that great, but you know, I didn't do it all with this kit. I used the Moore companion to do the rounding of the blocks and everything, and then I used mainly, I think, that one, and I used all 3 sizes of the gouging one. So the stuff I don't like about it is pretty basic. It's small. The handles are really small, and I have really big hands. I like bigger flashlights, bigger knives, bigger tools, so I can get my hands on them and actually not lose them. So it's okay if you're wanting to start and not spend too much money. I believe the kit is around $12 on Amazon, give or take a few dollars, and then for about the same price we got this box of basswood carving blocks, and these are okay. They're not perfect. Part of the reason this spoon turned out a little bit rough back in here is because when I was carving it, there was like a knot in the corner of the block, and the way the grain went, it wanted to just dig and chip it away instead of just carving it away. So I think it's a pretty good kit. I wouldn't say that it's professional. I mean, they advertise it as a wood carving tool set for beginners and professionals. I mean, if you're a really good wood carver, I'm sure you could do something with it, but it's not the same as if you bought some of the really expensive wood carving tools from like Moore or some of those other companies like that. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll catch you on the next one.